Hello, in today's short tutorial I will show you how to add new fonts on Photoshop. So let's get started. Uh, in this case you will go to your internet browser and you will go for some font sites like a site Adobe Fonts or DaFont. They are the two most popular sites for new fonts. So you will find a font on these sites and log in into these sites that you like this one. I will click it, you click on that font, so I just selected it. You select a font that you like, you click it, you can see the font like how it looks like, and if you like it you will click here download. After it downloads in few seconds you will have your zip file. You will click on the zip file and it looks something like this. You will go to the open type font file, you will click it, so this one, you will click it 2 times. After 2 times you can see the font exactly how it looks, and you will hit install in the top left corner. After you click install it will be installing fonts, and that's it. In this case you installed now your new font on Photoshop. So how you use it? You just go to your Photoshop fonts and you will search for this font. So you put its name Skyland and it will show up and you can use it, this font, for your typing. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this really quick tutorial how to add new fonts on Photoshop. I hope you like it. Leave a subscribe and like, and see you in the next one. Bye.